Right, so here we are back with another video. I just thought I'd do for you. We're doing another water leak. Well, I presume it's a water leak, but where we're doing it is I've got to track the machine that's behind me down. I'll show you where we're going. If you look over there, we're going right over that tree line over there, the other side of that tree line, right down the bottom of the hill down there. So I'll take you with me. Right, so here we are where the supposed leak is. So I'll show you what we're up against anyway. As you can see, right in the field at the moment, you can see the water lying on the top all around. All the way. It's absolutely flooded out here. Literally flooded. Right out here even. Right across here, it's still wet. So that's, I'll show you where the machine is. It's right over there. So it's wet even out here. So somewhere, either there's a pipe burst or there's an underground stream of some sort that's coming to the top. Whichever way, the field's useless when it's this wet, especially in the middle of summer. So we're going to look for a pipe. So hopefully they haven't put the pipe obviously in the middle of the field. Hopefully there's a gate right down there at the end there. So hopefully they come through that gate when they did the pipe 30 odd years ago, and they come along hopefully somewhere near the fence line on the way up. They come up hopefully through somewhere through here. So if that's the case and it's burst, the water will be finding the lowest point. So hence why it's all laying in here. But obviously it's like finding a needle in a haystack in a field like this. So we're just going to put a test trench in and see what we can find really. So here's what we found so far. So we've got a hole full of water, a trench full of water, but I don't know if it's the water main or it's just blocked land drains from the past. There's a land drain I've just burst through what filled that trench up. It's down in there. Try and get a better view from it from the other side. You can't see it disappeared now. It's a drain. You can see parts of it there. There's part of the pipe. So it could just be blocked land drains that's flooding the area, or it still could be a water main. So here's the land drain I was talking about. You can see there. There's the pipe. See the amount of water that's coming out of that. It will just fill the trench up almost in no time. That could be the source of the problem. Block tub's just holding all the water back right out into the field. So we might end up digging a big soakaway, deep as we can go, and then it might drain away on its own then.